Hello, everyone, and welcome back to ParentUno, your go-to space for everything related to parenting, family planning, and reproductive health. Millions of women across the world struggle to get pregnant, while others face irregular periods, PCOS, or hormonal imbalances. Whether you are actively trying to conceive or trying to prevent an unplanned pregnancy, there is one critical concept you absolutely need to understand: your fertile period. Knowing this window gives you control. As we like to say here at ParentUno, pregnancy should always happen by choice, never by chance.
So, what is the fertile period? Simply put, the fertile period is the window during your menstrual cycle when your chances of getting pregnant are at their absolute peak. To understand how it works, let's look at a few basic biological facts. The cycle length. A normal menstrual cycle typically ranges from 21 to 35 days, averaging around 28 to 30 days. We always count day 1 as the very first day your period bleeding starts. Ovulation. This is when a mature egg is released from one of your ovaries. It almost always happens exactly 14 days before your next period starts. The survival window. Once released, an egg only lives for about 12 to 24 hours. However, sperm can survive inside the female reproductive tract for up to 5 days. Because sperm can wait around for the egg, your actual fertile window opens a few days before ovulation and closes a day after. Now let's talk about how to calculate your window.
If you have a predictable, regular cycle, you can calculate your fertile window using simple math. Since ovulation occurs 14 days before your next period, here is how the timeline shifts based on your cycle length.
Important note, this mathematical calculation only works if your cycles are perfectly regular. If you have irregular periods or PCOS, this math won't be reliable. Furthermore, everyday factors like high stress, illness, or anxiety can easily cause your body to ovulate earlier than expected.
Because calendar math isn't foolproof, the best way to track your fertility is to listen to your body. Your body drops clear, physical clues when you are entering your fertile phase. Here are the 3 primary signs to look out for.
1. Basal body temperature, or BBT. Your BBT is your body temperature the exact moment you wake up, before you sit up, talk, drink water, or check your phone. If you track this daily with a specialized basal thermometer, you will notice a baseline pattern. Right after ovulation occurs, a surge in the hormone progesterone causes your temperature to spike by about 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit or roughly 0.5 degrees Celsius, and it stays elevated until your next period. Changes in cervical mucus. Your vaginal discharge changes texture throughout the month to assist or block sperm. Right after your period, discharge is dry or very scanty. Approaching ovulation, it becomes thin, watery, and increases in volume. During your peak fertile window, it takes on an egg white texture. It becomes incredibly stretchy, clear, and slippery. If you stretch it between 2 fingers, it can expand up to 8 to 10 centimeters without breaking. This texture acts as a perfect highway for sperm to swim through.
The cervix changes its physical state to facilitate conception. In the non-fertile phases, it sits low, feels firm, like the tip of your nose, and is tightly closed. As you approach ovulation, it moves higher up, feels soft like your lips, and opens slightly to welcome sperm.
Beyond the main 3 signs, many women experience secondary symptoms if they pay close attention. Mittelschmerz, a German word meaning middle pain. This is a mild, one-sided lower abdominal twinge felt when the ovary releases an egg. Physical shifts. You might notice breast tenderness, a significantly heightened sense of smell, mild vulvar swelling, or a natural increase in your sex drive. While technology and apps are fantastic, nothing beats becoming truly in tune with your own body's natural rhythms. It is the most empowering tool you have for your reproductive health.
If you want to cross-verify what your body is telling you, modern tools can help. You can use ovulation predictor kits, OPKs, that test your urine for hormonal surges, fertility tracking apps, or pelvic ultrasounds follicular tracking done by a healthcare provider. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to ParentUno. For more clear, honest discussions on family planning and parenting, leave your questions or experiences in the comments below. We read every single one.